Our students are able to gain skills and knowledge from working at a full-service salon that's open to the public. We offer cosmetology certificate and the AAS program. We offer barber certificate, and we have a barber crossover where if you have a cosmetology license, you can come in and get licensed as a certified barber. We also offer the cosmetology instructor program for those who want to possibly teach.
Once they complete the program and earn their license, there's many opportunities for them as far as owning their own salon, being a manager at a salon, being a makeup artist, nail tech, esthetician.
Weatherford College is really good at letting me support function and family and work. So they're very flexible on if you need to have a day this day, you're welcome to it. Just make sure you get your responsibilities done.
I never have a student that is looking for a job once they complete the program. One of them was in the Cowgirl magazine, the top 5 hairstylists for the Cowgirl magazine. She also owns her salon in Marble Falls and has been voted top stylist in the top salon the past 10 years straight. If it's something that they want, if it's something that they love, and this is their passion, come be a part of us. Let us teach you what you need to know to be successful.